Craving your favorite takeout but want the meal to be on someone else, or perhaps your past self? Then follow these simple steps to redeem your DoorDash gift card and enjoy deliciousness on a dime. First, launch the DoorDash app and start building your perfect order by browsing through the many restaurants in the app. Select all items you want, then tap Add to Cart when you're done making your picks. Okay, double check everything, adjust the quantities, or remove anything you don't want, and then tap View Cart to proceed to the order summary. Now, take one final look at your order summary to make sure everything is correct. Confirm your delivery address and any special instructions before moving on. Next, find the Add Promo Code section, which is usually located below your order details. Tap to open it, then tap on the Enter Promo Code area that appeared. A field will appear where you can enter in your gift card code. Carefully type in the entire code directly from your gift card or from the email you received, making sure you are doing so accurately. Once you've entered the code, tap the Apply button. The app will automatically deduct the gift card balance from your order total. Verify that the gift card amount has been properly applied before proceeding. If your gift card covers the entire order, you're good to go. If there's a remaining amount, you'll need to select a payment method to cover the difference. Once everything looks correct, tap the Place Order button to finalize your purchase. Enjoy your meal. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.